Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix taskbar clock showing in black text in Windows 10. First method is click Start, Settings, click Personalization. Click Taskbar. Turn off Use small taskbar buttons. Second method is right-click Start button, click Personalize. Click Themes. Change other theme. Third method is click Start, Settings, Personalize Atom. Click Colors, change theme. Fourth method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type SFC /scano. Type DISM /online /cleanup -image /restore health. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.